Windmills of My Hair, and today I'm going to talk about a really high pony look that I did for Diana Hopper in the film Aftermath. We wanted something really cute, and she's like so Brigitte Bardot-y. We kind of wanted to do something with that kind of style. So when I did the pony for her, I made it really high up, and I ended up really loving this look when I saw it on the movie. We went to the premiere just, I don't know, like a week ago. Some of you may have seen some of the stuff up on my Instagram for it, Windmills of My Hair. And today I'm just going to show you how I did the ponytail. And I'm going to use some stuff I got from CVS, so it's not an expensive thing. So first off, this is the elastics, or a similar to. I actually used really thin elastics in a beige tone for her because it wasn't really a party look. It was kind of like a out in the park look. So these are definitely more festive and definitely thicker than I used. But this is what they had. So that I'm going to show you the same look with these. I like these colors. I think they're really pretty. And CVS is, you know, pretty good price point for stuff like this, and it's easy to get, you know, so definitely loving that. I can't read what this says, but if you wanted to get this exact same kind, this is it. Anyway, I'm just gonna cut this open. So first off, this is the elastics, or a similar to. I actually used really thin elastics in a beige tone for her because it wasn't really a party look. It was kind of like a out in the park look. So these are definitely more festive and definitely thicker than I used. But this is what they had. So that I'm going to show you the same look with these. I like these colors. I think they're really pretty. And CVS is, you know, pretty good price point for stuff like this. And it's easy to get, you know. So definitely loving that. I can't read what this says, but if you wanted to get this exact same kind, this is it. Anyway, I'm just gonna cut this open. Easy, a brush. This is my favorite all-time brush. It's the Mason Pearson, and yeah, there's some strands in there, but it's still the most gentle on my hair. I'm not totally worried about my part. It's so hot out here. So what I'm going to do is get all the hair and up. But when I did Diana's, I kind of did it the same way I like mine, with just like some pieces on the side. I'm really not into having a total slick back look. I think that's a little mature for me. So I'm still working on it. I'm just sort of brushing, and I'm using like this flat part of my head to kind of feel around for the high point of the head. And in order to make this easy for myself, I'm going to use this really big elastic first. So rolling up my arm as we speak. I'm just going to check on this side, see what's going on. Okay, great. So the high point of the head is kind of where it starts to dent back here. You feel like a little dent. You can rest your hand right there. So my first elastic is in, but it's my simple elastic. And it's not going to really hold, it's not going to hold for a whole scene, you know, if I'm outside and it's the top of the day anyway. So I'm going to start to use these, look at, they were stuck together, to build it. And when I build it, it will start to make it pop up. Now there's a trick to this. Do I have enough time? Okay. And the trick is, I'll show you. First, get that elastic on there. trick is not to overlap these elastics. So you just want to build them up on top of each other. So if you can see right there, there's one on top of the other, but it's not covering it. And that's the trick. So you want to keep putting each one on, and you can feel with your fingers right here. Put your fingers right against that, and you can build easier. And of course, use your mirror. So this one made an X, so that will happen. And you have to just even it out for yourself and just keep building. Did I hit that one? Yeah. These are kind of two-tony, so it's hard to tell. So right now I'm on like my third elastic. But for me, I'm gonna add another one. So I can go up to 4 now. But those are like really good tricks to use. Your first elastic should be like one that you know works and is easy for you to work with. And then these last ones can be your decorative ones. So it's standing up pretty well right now.
All right, so this is just a 1 inch, I think. I'm gonna do my front pieces first. And then these ends I'm gonna do kind of uniform so that they don't look so free. And they look like, because this can make your hair really move around a lot. So you need to kind of contain it. This one looks like it wants to go like this. And I did like add these curls to the bottom of hers and that, you know, but it still looks very natural. You know, when we do the hair, sometimes it can, the actor can be waiting like all day. And I know in that movie, I didn't have any help, so I kind of like had to do someone and hope for the best, because a lot of times I couldn't even be on set. So having hairstyles that would just really stay in was really key. Just doing the ends. Voila. And there's like your little high pony. Did I get a little spot here? Okay, this will look cute. Curled a little more. But you really can just like curl it till the cows come home. Does anybody say that anymore? The cows come home? My grandma lived near a farm. They would say the cows come home. Yeah, as long as it looks kind of not too done, because it is really freestyle.